we are talking about Python basics. We start from basics and then we just carry on. Hopefully, it will help people to learn something new. Um, let's start with the Python basic, which is obviously syntax, Python syntax. So the Python syntax is everything starts. If you want to print something, or you want to see something, you have to go with the print. And then as you can see in my on the screen where it says print, then it shows parentheses, and there are a few things, and there are values and while flush, etc. So just click on that. Then parentheses are important. Then you need a double commas. Everything needs to be written in there. So then hello world. If you're going to print this one out, then there you go. You can see here it shows hello world. If you want to print something else, uh, double parentheses. So you see I am new to Python. Hopefully it will be fun. So if you notice here in the first line I use single commas, and in the second line I use a double commas. So in Python you can use any of them, single commas or double commas. So here you can see now the both statements are printed here, which means it's working fine. So the second thing talk about in syntax, that the important thing is the indentation. So the indentation in Python, it works like everything needs to be in a certain order. Like indentation usually work with like a 4 spaces, or you usually work with on your keyboard when you press the tab button and it just fixes the indentation itself on your compiler, whatever you're using. I'm using PyCharm, so it just works that way. um, for example, if I give you a little example, um, x x is equal to 10. So if x is greater than 20, print yes, x is, or we could just write if x is bigger than 5. Make it simple. Yes, x is bigger than 5. So if you see here, when we write this if statement, we will go to the if statements after. In the beginning, I'm just trying to show you the indentation. So you see when I have these double colons here, and when you click enter button, so here at the back you got 4 spaces. So if you go back 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same thing, you can do 4 indentation, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can just press the tab button and it just goes straight there. So um, in a Python, you just have to be careful with that. Uh, that's indentation. What else is the import? Yeah. So other info. Oh, let's print this one out first. See what we get. Okay. Yep. You see the statement. It says yes, x is uh, bigger than 5. So the number we mentioned here is 5, and x is 10. So bigger than 5. Okay. So the next thing you need to comment if you want to know anything about. We already talked about the commas, so you can use a single commas, or you have to use a double comma, whatever easy for you, but you have to stick with it. The next thing we can talk about is comments. If you want to make something comment out, you don't want it obviously to use as a code, or you have to just put this hash marks in there. That's you see that already grayed out. Same thing with this grayed out. If you're going to print this thing now, so you see those print hello world and print hello I am joining to a Python, new to Python. Hopefully it will be fun. So these two line 1 and 2, they did not print. Or if you want to do like a whole few lines of code, you want to comment them out, you have to do is 3 commas, and here you go. So and then you just put these commas here, and that's it. You see the whole code, it turned green, which means it's not in use anymore. If you're going to print this one out, it doesn't show anything here. So if you print something here now, print hello, and now you will see it will only show this one because the rest of the code we already comment out. Okay, that's all for the basic videos about syntax in Python. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.